Page 15. 15, we have three things here. We have 3 blind mice, hot cross buns, and some folks. We're just getting more practice at playing the C and G7 chords in the left hand. You have to be able to play these chords in either hand so it wouldn't hurt you when you're practicing them. Put your other hand up there and play along with it. Same thing. Because here the little finger's got to come down. Here's the thumb. It takes a little practice to get those, and later on, eventually, the book is going to present it to you, so you just won't get it now. Be ready. It's 4/4 time. I don't have a lot to say here. It's 4/4 time, so let's play these together. I'm going to start with 3 blind mice, then we're going to stop, and then I'll count us in again, and we'll do hot cross buns. Your hands, where do they go? Well, remember, look at the notes at the beginning of the piece and the finger numbers, and it tells you where they go. In the right hand, 3rd finger goes on that E here. So that means the hand goes here, pretty much. Left hand, it's a C chord here, so that's where you are. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now for hot cross buns, let's play that, because there's nothing new here. We're just practicing. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Now, for some folks, they're introducing a symbol called a tie. And a tie is a curved line. It looks like a slur, and it confuses some people, so listen carefully. It can only be between 2 notes. It can't span more than 2 notes. And those notes have to be the same pitch. They can't change pitch. For instance, in some folks, look at the last note of the first measure. It's an E, quarter note E, and the next measure is a whole note G. Well, if I had that curved line between the two, it's not a tie because I changed pitch. That's just a connect. It's like a slur. You just connect it. You just connect. Well, we're going to connect them in. The point I'm making is a tie, they have to be the same pitch. So look at the left hand, and you see this mess down here. You got a chord, and the second measure, you got the same chord, all the same notes. And you will notice there's a tie between each note. 3 notes, 3 ties. So it's telling you to tie all the notes there. Now what a tie simply means is you play the first note, just in case the chord, and you hold it down for the length of both notes. You tie the notes together. So this chord, a whole note would give 4 counts. Well, in this case, you're tying 2 whole notes together. That's 8 counts. So you're going to hold it down for 8 counts. So if I demonstrate the first 2 measures, it's this. See, I held the left hand down through the whole thing. Second line's the same kind of tie. And that's what a tie is. It's important to know that. If, let's say, for instance, the top note was not tied, they just tied the 2 bottom notes, you'd have to play the top note again while holding down the 2 bottom notes. So it would be here, and then for the next measure, you play the top note again. But you hold the other notes down. And they can do that sometimes. They won't always be tied, all of them. You have to be very careful to make sure they're tied. A lot of times the bottom note won't be tied. You play it again while holding the other notes down. Oh, that's a lot of fun. Try it. And then, of course, the middle note too. It doesn't have to be tied, so watch it. So let's do some folks together. 4/4 time. I'll give us 4 counts. Oh, big deal, right? Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.